Alright people, so curry time I know. I burn the curry. Alright people, so I'm gonna check in for me now so I'll have to finish. Wagwan people, welcome to the channel. As on the screen title down below, you don't know what the video is about already. You don't know what I'm gonna do in a video. Yeah. I'm gonna do some curry liver. Yes, I'm say curry here. Curry liver and dumpling for my breakfast. But you are gonna know. I'm gonna cook down everything now one pot me I do. Me now cook the dumpling separate. Everything I cook down in a one so you can stay tuned for the video. You see me? I want to leave a like on the video. I want to comment below and tell me one thing about this video. I want to share the video because only alone can't think on the video. I want to share it out and get other people to know about me. You see me? So share it out. Want to share it? Tell the person to share it to. So yo, subscribe and share again. Help me grow. Also, follow my IG, Jeff876, that's my personal IG page, and Yasta Adventures, that are the page for the channel, you see me? So just scroll along, click on bio, and give me a follow up on two of them, you see me? Yeah, so stay tuned people for the video here. Alright people, a long time you know, eat the curry liver, you see me? Actually, I never cook it before. Eat it before, but never cook it, you see me? The fire done set up already from yesterday, cause we done it already yesterday, so I'll picture it in the fire. Now the two block them put apart, yeah, and just light it and start quick and fast because man every day if done quick and fast, you see me? No long thing, you see me? Because don't know man hungry and things. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go for the liver out of the freezer. So we're pulling the freeze up, yeah, cause from buy it yesterday. It goes straight in the freezer because when you see me buy it because the video I do, I'm gonna buy it already, job already in other video, see me? So if you don't see the video there, the tin mark, so the tin side run down, and you can just go back and pre the video after doing the video, you see me? So that I do now. I just but season inside season the liver and then catch a fire, you see me? And this liver, a chicken liver, you see me? Yeah. So they can stay up here for the video here. Well people, this is what I'm used today. See the liver here. Tough. So I put it to go and thaw out. You see me? And don't know. Maggi season. See the onion, scallion and all that. Me a piece of what's the name again? Ginger. See me make garlic and my curry. You see me? Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in some water now. For thaw out. Me now use all this still. And then check him back with me season it up. You see me? And see me already the puppy, I tell you, as long as me don't use so me already put it in the stick in the fire here, in the fire side here. Alright, make the fire ready for light the fire. You see me? So as soon as I just light the fire, start seasoning meat. So by the time fire done build up, me done seasoning meat, I'm just throwing everything on the same time, you see me? Alright people, open and see it. Yeah, open hungry right now. Well, we want to touch some more, but let me make it touch some more. So people, in the meantime, wow, he's leading. Anyways, in the meantime, I'm gonna go and clean them. In the meantime, you see me? Cut up my season them and everything there. So people can't tell me if you never eat curry liver before or if you never used to your liver can curry. First time I cook it, you know. But I eat it before, so I'm gonna be the second time or third time I eat it now. But first time I cook it. You know what I have? Nice dull. I have a pepper. I like them thing pepper cause them thing are raw bad. Them thing are very raw. So them thing I feed pepper, I have pepper. Story. People keep on saying Javon, you're not afraid to present yourself. But the them thing they motivate me and give me the drive for drink and every day for trying to say, yo, I'm a good man. There's many ways I can do food. So hopefully by me doing this, if I'm gonna talk some more. Consume it and go do what I do. Sure. I'm on the cutting board people. I forget one. Run some mash up so. Can you cut it good? You know what I want? Now a few more garlic to throw into the oil. We may burn the curry. So I'm going to cut them straight in the oil all the same way. A piece of them are the seasoning I use. So them can go one side of this one now. Them can go and brace over this for time, free time being. This one now. It's still not really melting the people. Still not fully melt. I get some more good place. I'm gonna take up, clean up and put in something. You see me? Get one more. Alright people. Get one more. Yes, when you buy the chicken liver, you get the heart night too. So you normally sell it. I didn't even see it. Come to like heart no. But normally you cut it and wash out inside that, you see me? Put it and wash out inside of it. Them thing here, clean them off. So mash out. So I'm trying to put in the freezer yesterday. If they, you have to deal with anything good enough people because anything easy to sick stomach. Yeah, when I do them things, if we do them good, when I buy the liver at the shop, like I'm going to say, it's not the wholesale. They get the art night though. Only the gizzard you get. Gizzards are different. I'm not like a gizzard at all. Maybe buy a pound or so. One day and try to make a dish out of it. That's what my mind. But true, me too love it. The meal is very, very, very easy to make and very, very cheap. This now self $100 a pound, right? $100. Then now you can buy a pound of flour. How much is that? $100? I'm not sure. Cut $100 feet, right? 200 of that. Boom, no. Buy a Maggie season. $50. $40. $40. How much you sell for where you guys live? You buy a curry. And like 50. That at $300. So you can spend $500 to make a nice meal. You buy onion, you know, and whatever. You buy onion, you know. It's a time. You know, put in one pot, sweet pepper, and them thing there. I'm not back right about now. Can't bother go road. So I do it the same way. Can't bother go to Linstead right about now. Come to this nice now. Your brown stew with some fried dumpling. Nice. Yes man, nice brown stew with a fried dumpling. Only can wash up this now. Without video of course my rawness man. Cause them things are very raw and people need to mash up. Cause you know well melt out it. Won't be hungry right. Tell me you know I don't want them there. Alright, okay, that's alright. Sure. You know, the salt. I don't know if I did me I forgot the salt now. So I cut this. Throw looking like this. Look more nice. See my throw look like my magazine is nice. I don't know why not come out. Anyways, that's supposed to be good now. Story mode. Alright. We should have cement set about us, man. Nice already. Alright, so wash off my hand. Get your fire, light the fire now. And get the salt. Drop on the before I forgot. Keep it up so not falling night. Alright people, so soon come back now, I'm catch a fire. See? Light the fire and thing. And then I'm checking back with you now. So people, we need dumpling already. Yeah. I put on the pot now. So yeah, so checking back with me. I add in the meat and all that. Alright people, so curry time now. I have to burn the curry. If nobody come in here and see you cook curry and I burn the curry, then no one none from you. We Jamaican have to burn the curry. I would say if you burn the curry, it make your belly hurt way. And people, when you could tell me say oh it garlic. The garlic I throw them on the meat. Now maybe shell out 2 more. Because my name I take up the 2 when I want to throw in the oil and burn with it. Oh, the curry. Next time I tell me because I'm going to do it again. Every time I cook, I 2 I cook. I may want to cook. So, tell me man say boy, Japan, I'm got the salt, remember the salt, remember this, remember that. Yes, side, burn the curry, you know. Yeah, I can add still too hot. See, I don't know. Draw down fire like this a little bit. So turn down them playing the people. Just draw away, stick them. Alright. Next step, throw in. So people, how that look? Come back to me, look. So hard. Alright people, so I make this one bird for a bit. You see me? Cause everybody know when I cook meat. When you throw in the oil, when you if you burn a bit, they throw in the water. Fire gone you know, so I push out the fire. A lot of people lick it to no oil. See? Can't mind the bag of oil business. So, people you want the water now. A little bit of water. What I'm going to do, people, I throw in the dumpling now, make the dumpling them in it now, and then add more water to it because I don't want to put too much water and I don't need that much water, you see me, and take too long to dry it back, you see me. So, add the dumpling them, then throw in the water, in the water you want. Because yes, you want some more water, but I don't want to put too much water in it at first. So, put the camera on the mount, we have an helmet mount, and I'm going to see me putting the dumpling them. Yes people, I'm going to give me dumpling them, you know. Cause I can't really need dumpling so good. Think about it. Smoke kill me. Mother, have a start on the dumplings, sit so and roll like this. Like so. And they come out so good, me can't do it. My sister can do it, but me can't do it. You want to kill me, right? Maybe we can practice. If we did, we do it. But this is like all one pot people. Seeing like a brown soup chicken. We train the water to train dumpling them same time. One pot. Remember you have the two pot. And dumpling them nice too because the bone and chicken gravy. They're nice. Four dumpling. Them are my dumpling people. We meet three. Not too like dumplings still, but you know. I have to make the family taste it enough, so when I done people, I check my code on you see me? Alright people, this are the basin way the liver season up, you know? So I have to wash it out, you know. Yeah, no. And just throw in a pot now. Because see, the dumpling then done. Dumpling done, throw in a pot people. Alright people, so that's it. That's it, viewers and subscribers. Comment below and tell me one thing. So, by the water you don't dry down, you know. By water dry out, the liver done. Yes, so you are going to cover it up. So next time you open this, in terms of open my pot, pull off the lid, dumpling then done. Yeah, so I'm going to now wash it back. I didn't think I can wash it back. I didn't use, so I didn't can wash it back, you see me? Yeah. Because basically I'm done. Alright people, basically I'm done. Yeah. About 90% complete. The cooking part, you see me? I don't know, so editing now is a very long process. Yeah. Not too long though, but take a while. So they can pull it from before. If we're done, I'm going to consume and do me I do. You see me? Because this is my breakfast. Yet, some people say why this is a bit heavy for breakfast. Anyways, some people say oh, this is a bit heavy for breakfast. But, no. People, what do you want for them breakfast and this now? Because heavy, it can well be good. Long. You see me? So, stay tuned people. Because before enough more banger come, enough more epic video come, enough more unusual video come, you see me? So just stay tuned man, I have enough more video man. Just subscribe and share link it to everybody we know and tell them to stay tuned because enough more video come and on alone can't see any kind of video. I'm sure you know say on the family member them want to see them video here, on the friends them want to see them video here, you see me? Yeah. Don't be selfish and just watch the video and don't share it. God say sharing is caring. You see me? So share it to them. Not nothing for no share it. You see me? Nothing. But share it and subscribe. You see me? And like and leave a comment. You see me? And tell me what you think about the video. Yeah. Even if a negative comment, something bad, just comment and tell me and we can work on it. You see me? Yeah. So come up here. Alright people, so I'm check in for now, so I'll have to finish. Alright, come close, nice now. If you have bus, a coconut powder and this now. People, you have to say it a burn up? Or they may burn up their food? Oh. Stir it, you want to stir it, man. It's a come up with tuna. I stir it, but you know, burn up, man. It's good, man. Yeah man, as I was saying before, this is the nice people style of coconut powder night. And belly a ball feed. Yeah, it's done people, but you can go down somewhere. Body the coconut powder night. Nice. So see the people? They finish. So basically dumpling cooked down with the liver all in one style. Yeah, basically all in one style because everything cooked down together. One pot cooking. So people, I live at this now, you know. I live at it now. Time to consume. Not carbonate, but it gave it thick. You see me so? Lift off it. Yeah. So come below and tell me what I go on. What do you think? So, who want dumpling? Talk for now. Talk for now one dumpling. I'm dumpling one. Talk for now. Talk for now, people. So consume them. Alright, people, so taste this time now. First, with my taste. One thing, one pepper. If I want one pepper. Raw one pepper. It not otherwise no, but this one pepper. So, people, when you come, definitely cook at home, you know, but make sure pepper up night. Raw, yeah. Come down to one think about with the people. Leave, man. Stress it, click below, comment, like, share, subscribe and subscribe it. Follow me IG. Look more. I'll mash down this soon next time. Soon in the next video. Look more again.